It's Wednesday, January 10th, and I'm here in Kansas City about to board the plane to Charlotte. And I'll be speaking tomorrow in Daytona Beach, which I'm heading right now. So I'm their key speaker. So I'm going to show you kind of behind the scenes of just getting there, and then also behind the scenes of this corporate event. So it's going to be big. I just got to Daytona Beach. I'm here at the hotel, here at the Hilton, and I'm going to be checking everything out. I'm going to give you guys a behind the scenes look of what this hotel is and the conference, how it's set up, and then I'll show you behind the scenes of how I prepare and everything like that. But as I got in the room, this hotel's set on the ocean front, and you won't believe, this is one of the coolest things. I see these few times, but watch this. Well, listen to this. So I'm on the ocean front. So there's the balcony, as you can see right there. There's the ocean. It's nighttime. I'll take pictures as it comes. I'll take video of as the sun comes up. It's like this is a beautiful view, and I'm gonna enjoy this. I'll also go down there and check out stuff there, just kind of scoop around. But I'm gonna check out the hotel right now and see where the conference is set up to pre-map my mind and structure mindset of what I'll be doing tomorrow. They gave me a little card, and I think this is a cookie. This was actually a card from the staff here at the hotel. What do you know? It's nice. I'm in the lobby of this hotel, as you can see behind me. Pretty spazzy, but you know what? This is the conference for tomorrow. So obviously they got something going on to 9:30, I just found out. So I'm gonna go check it out. I'm upstairs, I'm about to go into the little window area, so I found it. So as you can see, it's right there. I didn't get much footage of the event as it goes on tonight, but because people recognize me that I'm the speaker for tomorrow, so they were excited to see me and talk to me, and so here it's over. So this is the room of the vendors and other people, and I'll show you a little behind the scenes. So this is where they were in the conference room. This is one area, and now I'm gonna go see what the stage is and behind the scenes, and get a vibe of the air. I'm down here on the ground level where the ocean was, and you're gonna see it here in a second, but by the lights by the beach, and you can see how beautiful this is. They just have a outside beach outside the hotel, which I've never seen, and there's some palm trees and the designs and stuff. This is in Daytona Beach, Florida. I'm out here on the ocean front, where the ocean's right on this side here, but you can see the walk and the hotel I'm staying at where I'll be speaking. And there's the walk right there, and behind right there is the ocean. Never take life for granted. This is a gift, and it's a blessing, and it's a life you choose because you can have opportunities. And now I'm going to go back in and get ready to prepare for tomorrow. So this is just me decompressing to get ready for the event tomorrow. Check this out. Boom. See that? I can change the color by pressing boom. There you go. There's purple pinkish, but look at this. That's the ocean in the background. Spinners, that's the real deal. But if I want a party favor, see there's a green button right here. Boom. Changes colors automatically. How I light my chair up, I have a 12-volt battery. They come in different sizes, but I just picked this one. This is just lightweight, weighs about 3 pounds, but then it's hooked up to a core, positive, negative, to a specific end, a splitter that does this little outside. Is this hooks up directly in there. Let's see if I can do it one-handed and film at the same time. There we go. So it connects there, and it's attached to the receiver, to the LEDs. This is the receiver to the LED lights, which then does the remote control. The X just stands for this remote control to that receiver. So when I press the button, it changes all different colors. See? I press the green, strobe light. I'm about to go to bed, but I want to share this with you. It's about 12:30 at night, and it's peaceful. But then I realized that it's actually misting. At times it's raining. You can see the rain. Check that out.
What made Harry Houdini famous and probably one of the most amazing individuals of all time was his ability to conquer insurmountable challenges.
Going to the conference, they have these information things throughout the hall to know what goes what. I'm here structuring everything right now between the projectors and the audio and the visuals and everything to fine-tune stuff for the presentation that I'll be doing in about an hour. So you can see that there's a projector here and there's another projector over there that's projecting to this one and this one right here. My laptop's right there, and I have the lavalier, the mic already set right here. So it's going through the details to make sure the audio, the videos, the visual, everything's perfect. Because as you start speaking, the last thing you want to happen is a mess up. So as a professional speaker, these are the details that matter most. Because that way when you're presenting, speaking, everything flows. So all you can focus on is the people and delivering the power message. Because and the bottom line is you only got 1 hour or less to leave a message. And it's up to you to deliver. No excuses, make it happen, period. Everybody's pretty much here. I started speaking about 30 minutes. Showtime. Back at the airport, and today went great, so now it's off to the next speaking engagement. So I'm flying to Atlanta, then South Dakota, and then I'll get the car rental and I'll be driving into Montana, which is about 36 miles. Another journey begins.